One of the most fascinating things for me about looking at old photographs of street scenes and buildings is looking at the detail of the background matter and the bystanders, the people caught in the background. In this postcard, there are many children clearly fascinated by the photographer and his equipment caught in the shot. This is East Street, looking east towards Canterbury Road, with co-op shops on both sides of the road. The children on the right of the picture are standing in front of the co-op bakery shop at number 84. The shop sold confectionery and bakery goods and at this time also offered teas and refreshments. A sign for Hovis bread is above the door. The co-op were here until the 1960s. We believe that this picture was taken around 1910. There's no traffic visible on the road, near or far, except for the bicycles. The next shop along is that of Edward F. Handcock, who was a stationer and ran a small post office here. He was also a jeweller and silversmith with a shop in the High Street. He had been here from about 1892 and stayed until the 1920s or 30s. He was quite a public figure and a local councillor. His name is on the postcard as the publisher, even if he may not have been the photographer. Next to that is what had been the co-op butcher's shop, and the entrance now led to the co-op furnishing department upstairs, where there was quite a bit of space behind those large windows. Next to this is the Wheatsheaf pub, which had stood here since the beginning of the previous century, with its yard and outbuildings behind. Of the 6 public houses that have traded in East Street during my lifetime, the Wheatsheaf was the last to close. Beyond this are 4 cottages used as lodgings, demolished before the Second World War. Beyond this was an area containing a path or track that led southwards towards Chiltern Manor and was later developed as the present-day South Avenue. Across the road are more interested spectators, children and young men with bikes. A man in a white coat has come out from the co-op grocery shop to see. Next to him, a lady stands holding her young child. All are looking at the photographer. The Sittingbourne Cooperative Society was founded in 1874 by a group of working men. Their first shop for the working class had been at number 69 East Street, but membership had grown rapidly. The Sittingbourne Co-op occupied many shops in East Street and all across Sittingbourne and Milton. This large shop was originally built in 1877, and it was ever expanding westwards from then on, with a big new extension in 1928 and another in 1960. The building was eventually demolished in 1994.